I am in some big garage working on Chevy Cruze 2015 1.8 valve cover replacement. It was leaking for some time and I went into spark plugs compartment, and it's time to change coils and spark plugs anyway, so I'm gonna do all that at the same time. First thing is to take this cover and then push this tab out, which I did already, and then slide this with the screwdriver carefully, the connector. I took already all this assembly from these clips here. Same on this side, which is just hooked down. We need to pry it with the screwdriver back and pull it up to make more room. And then we need to take these two screws out. I also did that. It is a Star Wrench T45, two of them, to take ignition coil out. And all we need to do is pull out this ignition coil and see how oily this is. 1, 2, 3, but not last one, which means that it's not leaking there. And the code is P0304, I believe, but says fourth cylinder misfiring. I believe this is it, last one, 4th cylinder, and it is here. So it's hard to see inside, but oil is there. Here with some light we can see that there is oil, and it is making car to misfire. So in order to take cover off, we have 11 these screws all the way around and one in the middle, that is part of the 11. Also took these cables out to make more room to take these screws out, and next step is to pry this cover off. One more thing I forgot to tell you that we need to take off is this PCV connector, which is a little wire that we pry off with the screwdriver to make this off and easier to take it apart, which is already coming off. I'm just going to do it by hand to not risk damaging it, but that's one last thing that we need to separate from the valve cover. And this is it, last piece here, and I had to use hammer to knock this off a little bit and then pry it off carefully here just when it got loose with hammer, and now it's all loose, so I'll just need to take it off and clean it. And after all loosing, here is the valve cover. Hold on. Hard to see where it's leaking. It looks like it's everywhere. But now you're gonna clean all the way around where the gasket is gonna be. And on some other YouTube video based on it, the guy suggested that I put some silicone here because there is like a sharp angle and just prevent the gasket or help gasket to seal it. I'm gonna put some gasket maker. Okay, I took all big sludge collection off. I'm gonna clean one more time with clean Scotch Brite and brake cleaner, and I'll be ready. Okay, while ready, after cleaning the contact surface, I like to say that we purchased all original parts from GM, and this is valve cover, and then here is ignition coils, and set of spark plugs, AC Delco. Before I put the cover on, we'll use this ultra gray gasket maker and put it in a crease. In the crease here where is sharp corner to fill the and help the gasket to form seal. Okay, take reverse way to put this all back, and it takes some effort to put this cover in the spot. We need to move this out, move this away, and make sure that we are lining up with all holes, and then we can apply torque. I already did that gasket, and we are ready to tie. All screws need to be easy going in. If they are not, we need to realign it. And once they are all hand tied, we will go from middle to side, corner to corner, and then torque them.
Yeah, just for a little bit, because as you torque it, it sinks, but
So
you want maximum torque.
we are holding off torque, waiting a little bit to settle. They are all hand tight, all 11 of them. While we are waiting to have this to settle, I will replace the spark plugs. Okay, oh, this is number 4 spark plug, all oily. That is a misfire in cylinder. Here we have new spark plug. Put some anti-seize. They are pre-gapped already. Iridium spark plug. Just to show that anti-seize that we put on. All spark plugs are in. After torquing, we will put it in, connect it, and that will be it. Okay, we have our torque set up to 8 Newton meters, 71 inch-pounds, and we'll go from the middle first to sides diagonally. Okay, now we'll just make it it clicked. That means that's 8 Newton meters. Okay, all screws are torqued. Here's the coil. This just needs to be snug, not torqued. And then electrical connector. And clip. Now all we need to do is put this back in place, connect this to the clips, and not forget PCV connector.
All these have to go on at the same time.
No, I need to put PCV on first. Oh. Okay, PCV is on. Put back clip, and that's it. make sure that it's tight in correct way. Now we need to return this into slots, and this one here on, and put these wires in. That's it. And before you try the cover, and it's ready. That's all what it takes to replace the valve cover. Not so hard. Very important to clean well and make sure the torque is correct. That's it. All is left to test it. Before we test it, we will unplug the negative battery terminal, clear the codes, and check it out. So we wait how long?
5 10.
Okay.
Set down all the way here.
Now we have just a start. Try it. Open garage. And works well. It really has nice sound. Doesn't have that difficulty anymore. And I think we fixed it. Easy work, pays off. We save some money. I hope this video helps somebody else down the road, and I would suggest that anybody with a little tool and patience can do it. If you will have questions or comments, like always, please ask. I'll do the best I can to answer them, and thank you for watching.